Hi, my name is Andrew, and today I want to show you what we swept up from our whole entire yard. I mean, it makes sense, our yard is pretty big, but we actually got most of the sticks from, like in this, tiny, very tiny forest area. I don't really know what to call it, so I just call it a tiny forest. And, over here, there were also a lot of leaves in the yard. As you can see, we filled this up all the way, and over here we brought out the big guns. And there's one more thing I want to show you guys. This. Like, before it was this big, it actually used to be at least yeah, definitely bigger than that, here, and then here, and then the rest, it just went in a circle. But if you want to build a lot more like this, then we definitely made it bigger. And just so you know, all of these stones were actually in the previous one. Well, one before we just made it bigger. So today we are going to be doing a little experiment with these white boiled onions. And we just found these in the store, and they're dry. You can get them any time of the year. And we wanted to see if they can actually grow our garlic, but they're not the same thing. So they smell good. Now this is what I call a dead plant. So this is called the garden claw. This was my father's, but now I have it for my YouTube channel. So if you don't know how it works, it's kind of simple. There's just this is why it's called the gardening claw, because it's for garden. And I guess these are claws, and you just gotta do that, push it in the ground. Then basically you just have to turn it. It's pretty simple. What the? Now I'm just smoothing it out, but you want to make sure that the soil actually stays in the bed, because then you won't have any soil to plant with if it all goes out. You want it even, nice and even. Hey guys, store-bought onions. So just like any onions, you gotta make sure the pointy side is up, because this is not the starting of the root. The root is always at the bottom. This is just the top. So it's really basic. You just put it down. Boom. Now you just gotta do the rest of them. Look at this guy. But the guy that everyone wants to see, the Onion King. Bow to the Onion King. Okay, now you're going in the ground. Let's get some more onions. Put one here. Here. And guys, like, since I almost couldn't tell this is the pointy side, I almost did it like that. That's why before you plant it, you don't want to plant it like that. You always want to take time and look to see like that's not the top, this is the top. So I always want to be careful just before you plant stuff. That's the most important thing about gardening. You always gotta make sure it's in the right spot. Take this guy, put him right there. Bye bye. Take this guy, put him right there. Bye bye. Take this guy, put him right there. Bye bye. Take this guy, put him right there. Bye bye. Take this guy, put him right there. Bye bye. Take this guy, put him right there. Bye bye. Take this guy, onion cream. Put him right there. Bye bye. And piece of cake. So we just gotta cover them, not too crazy, then we'll just, I guess, end up the video, which we all. After we cover all of these guys. Okay guys, so we just gotta water those, since they're already covered up. And now we just gotta wait until the next video, so make sure to like and subscribe. Bye! Guys, this is the bonus scene at the end of the video. We're just watering them. You always gotta wait to let the water soak in. So after 2 or 3 minutes, and just water them again. It would be good if I knew how long minutes were. One of you guys should teach me. Bye.